Hello everyone, I am Nafis Min, Department of Mining Engineering from Sri Rawatpura Sarkar University, Raipur. Today I am discuss about explosive and its subtopic is application, definition, composition, property and classification. First one is application. Explosives are used in underground mines and quarries to break coal and other rocks. Definition: explosive is a chemical compound or mixture when exploded by action of heat, impact, gives large volume of gases in very short time at high temperature and pressure. Next one is composition. In explosive, various material are composite. First one is combustible material like wood meal, charcoal. Second one is oxidizing agent, ammonium nitrate, sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate. Third one is stabilizer, magnesium and calcium carbonate. Fourth is anti-setting agent, salt, sensitizer, metallic powder. Next one is property. The various property of explosive. First one is strength. This is a measure of amount of energy released by explosive during blasting. Velocity of detonation. It is the rate at which the detonation wave passing through a column of explosive, and this is the considerable amount such shock energy detonating increase rapidly with this velocity. Density, water resistance. Explosives are designed to stand water long enough to enable to work to be done. Sensitivity. An explosive is required to be insensitive to normal handling, shock, and friction, but they remain sufficiently sensitive to detonating fume characteristic. Explosives which are used where ventilation restricted must produce a minimum of harmful gases in produced of detonating. Legal permission. Only permitted explosive of proper type should be used in underground coal mines. Last one is classification. Explosive are two types: low explosive and high explosive. Low explosive. The chemical composition in low explosive is called deflagration, which is rapid process of combustible without any shock wave but give a having effect like gunpowder. High explosive. Reaction in high explosive is characterized by associated shock wave initiated by detonator like ammonium nitrate fuel oil, methyl ammonium nitrate, etc. Thank you.